Now, anybody ever been in multi-level? That's what it's like. And that's why so many people have a bad impression of it. You have to have too many people and too much volume for any one person to make money. And it takes a lot of priming. And unfortunately, you know what these people do? They all quit. And they give up on their dream, and they had a bad impression of this industry. And that's why so many people have a bad impression of multi-level. You see, I got tired of that, and I found a better way. And that's what binomial marketing is about. We found something called the binomial pump. Oh, well, see, the binomial pump, the way it's set up, is a system, okay? And all I got to do is with one hand prime the pump. I don't have to prime several pumps. And the way the system works is I can prime two at once. So let's get going here. Oh, making money in Market America. I only need 2 legs to make $3,600 a week. $2,100 is already coming in. I'm starting to make money. Now that it's primed, I don't have to work so hard. Now, if $2,100 a week, which is $109,000 a year, isn't enough, I can line 2 of these binomial pumps up because I got 2 arms. And I basically will start both of them and build the outside ones first and get them primed, and then the inside ones will get primed. But I don't have to be running all over the place constantly adding pumps. And you know what? I can take as long as I want to prime these pumps, okay? But I don't have to work any harder. And once they're primed, oh yeah, living the life, making 327 grand a year. I think I'll take a vacation in Saint-Tropez. Maybe I'll buy a second home in the mountains. Geez, giving my wife all the things that she wants. Life is so wonderful in Market America. Now, which is harder, you see? Now, all I have to do is keep an eye on them. And every once in a while, if somebody needs some help, okay, or some assistance, okay, I just give it another little push and help them and back them up. But I don't have to constantly be pumping and pumping and pumping and adding more and more pumps. Does everybody get that? Okay, and here, I'm making 327 grand a year. Over here, I would be barely making $1,000, maybe at the most $2,000 per month. Is there a difference? It's a colossal difference. Okay, now, after about a year of making 327 grand a year, okay, I kind of get a little bored. It's funny how you get broke at a higher level. I'm spending all that money. Like Ben has all of these Rolls Royces and, you know, these Vanquishes and these Lamborghinis. He might decide, geez, I'd like to build a little bit more because I want to get a yacht. I want to get a vacation home, okay? And so now what I can do, okay, is I can bring in a re-entry, and I get another center for free, okay? And I hook that up, you know, right there. And I start to get it to prime. And as it primes, it helps keep this one primed. In other words, this one actually works this one. And these ones are actually pumping that one. So I'm going to get another 109 grand a year, but this one is actually feeding it, and it helps this one make money. Well, you know, I built an organization now. Do you understand that? By priming the pumps, we shook the bean jar, we found the nuts, we helped them prime the pump. They all have unfranchised owners, and they all have customers already. Does everybody agree with that? So now all I need to do, okay, is to each one of these pumps, I can hook up an IBV pump to the same network. I don't need any new people. I don't need any new customers. I already have them. And by turning on the portal and putting one of these up to each one of my pumps and turning on the portal, go! Another 109 grand, another 109 grand, another 1,500 a week, another $1,500 a week. Just keep it going. Yeah, living the life. Now I'm making 500 grand a year. Boy, this sure is hard work. Geez, you know, Lauren, what do you want next? Everybody understand that? Okay? So I don't have to work that hard. And what I already did, the priming of the red pumps to make 109 grand per unfranchised center, okay, I can then just add in and attach my IBV pumps. And all you got to do is say, go. And because they automatically prime from the organization I already built, my income goes up. Well, after a year of this, or 2 years of this, living life, $500,000 to $800,000 a year, maybe you get a little bored. Say, geez, I'd like to take a vacation. Maybe I'll go to Australia so I can write it off, because Market America opened up down there. And I can take my same organization and I can add an international pump. And all the same people, they all find people in Australia. I don't have to build a new organization. Boom, it primes that pump. Well, maybe I should figure I want to build another organization in the U.S. because I want to have a home in Florida, or I want to have a home in California. Okay? Well, all I need to do is hook up another reentry in the U.S. and increase my income again by another $187,000 a year. Okay? How much do you want to make? All I got to do is push the pumps, and they automatically prime, because these pumps help prime those pumps, and these pumps keep these pumps primed. Okay? Maybe I say, well, I hear Market America is going to Taiwan. I'd like to get a piece of that action. And then they're going to go to Japan. I would like to travel there and get a piece of that action. Okay? And then who knows where they'll go? Maybe to somewhere in South America. Okay? And all I got to do is every once in a while give it a little pressure, and all the pumps prime, because the same organization I built primes the yellow pumps. We all work together then to prime the green pumps. The green pumps keep the red pumps primed. And then when we go international, I use the same pumps to prime the international pumps. And I have all the pumps going, and I'm making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year working in my underwear, do whatever I want. Now, then what happens is these people who gave up, they said, what's this that JR's doing? Man, you know, we worked so hard at that other thing and it didn't work. I'm going to get in this thing. And these people start coming to you. Okay? And they start hooking up. Why? Because they see that it actually works because you made it work, and they know that it has to be different than that multi-level thing that they had. And a lot of people who had a dream and fell flat on their face become revitalized, and we save them, and their dream is born again, and they jump in the binomial marketing system and become successful. And all I have to do is keep priming the two little pumps. Everybody understand that?